The landscape of global industry is shifting. The future of manufacturing isn't just about being automated, it's about becoming truly intelligent. At Raygain Technologies, we deliver end-to-end industrial automation for the smart factories of tomorrow. We seamlessly integrate SCADA, DCS, and OPC servers to create a unified high-performance control system. Powered by private 5G, IoT gateways, and advanced sensors, we bridge the gap between machines and data with total precision. With AI and machine learning analytics, we enable real-time visibility and predictive maintenance for smarter operations, improve efficiency, ensure safety, and drive measurable ROI across every plant and site. Globally certified and Industry 4.0 compliant, we are your partner in digital transformation. Raygain Technologies. Automating the future. Visit raygain.com today.